I am back with a new hair review. Now, I get so many compliments on this hair. When I'm out at the gym, I get a lot of looks from women looking at my hair. So I said, let me make sure I do a review on this hair. So if you're looking for a good crochet hair that is easy to install and it looks very natural and fabulous and it's just a moment, then you want to stay tuned and watch this whole video. Okay. Hey ladies, so I am here with a new hair review. This is Drip Curl. This is by Lulutress, and I used about a half pack. It's 20 inches. So this is how long the hair goes. Like I said, I installed 1.5 packs. So for each pack, it comes with 3 bundles. So this is the second pack. So this is how much hair I use out of the second pack. So if you got a smaller head, you probably can get away with 1 pack, to be honest. I got this at my local beauty supply store, but I'll link it below. $6 or $7. It's super budget friendly. Sometimes, like especially right now, I'm in the gym and I really wanted to give my wig a break and just let my hair be free in a protective style. And with this, I wear it down sometimes, but I like to wear it up in a ponytail like this. So I wear it up in like a cute little ponytail. I do sometimes half up, half down, and then sometimes I put it all up in a ponytail. So I would give this a hair a 9 out of 10 for synthetic crochet, because we all know synthetic tangles, but the curl and the texture of this hair is so pretty. It's super, super. It's like right up my alley. And everyone loves me in this hair. I give it about a week to 2 weeks to have it in. It only took me about 1.5 hours to install. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert my install video in this video, so stay tuned so you can kind of check out how I did my braid set. It's very much a soft hairstyle. I don't do nothing really too tight or anything. It's very loose, it's very soft, it's very feminine and fun, and it's a great protective style. So if you like nice big hair, and one tip that I will tell you is this hair can get really big. So make sure you follow my crochet method that's at the end of this video so that it can come out like this. And if you do it with my method, it's going to look longer than 20 inches. Yeah, this is about 28 inches, quiet as kept. So stay tuned for the install video and stay fabulous. Be sure to subscribe and share this out to your friends, and stay fabulous. Bye, ladies. All right, so first I wanted to press out my hair. I am 100% natural, and I usually start with some Murray's. That's my flat iron. I had that about 7 years. I'll tag the review for that flat iron. So now that I'm all pressed out, this is the braid set that I decided to go with. I don't do my braids really tight. I just did loose braids and used Shine and Jam, I believe it's called, and edge control just to get my edges really pretty, because I wanted this style to look very soft and feminine and big and fluffy. So I'm not a big tight braider, so this is just what we're giving. So this is my crochet method for this hair. I usually start with the strands so that it's pretty much elongated. So I take the long piece and I pull it all the way down, and then here is where I tie. So I'm pretty much only tying maybe like a quarter piece of the hair so that I can get more of a longer look and not too much of a full look. Because if you do this the traditional way, if you crochet this the traditional way, you're going to get 2 strands of hair, and quickly it's going to cause it to get really big and floofy. I'm pretty sure a lot of women made this mistake with this hair. You want to do it with this method where you're only tying a short portion of the hair so that only one strand is, how can I explain it? Like just one strand is majority of the look so that you can get a full look but it's longer instead of just having a full look and it's shorter. I hope that makes sense. Also, for this crochet method, I double tied it. So just to secure it, I wrapped it and then I tied it once and then I tied it again. And usually that does it. Especially because it has a little texture, so you don't really have to worry about it moving too much. And probably the tighter your braids are, the longer it'll last. Just FYI. Now, I usually space my installs probably about 2 inches, 1 to 2 inches apart from each other. I don't do it too close because, of course, that will make it too bulky. And you still want this style to be, you know, natural looking as much as you can. So this is me at the top of my hair. And I just do the same method, nothing special. This is really just a protective style that I just usually wear for like 1 to 2 weeks. So don't overthink it. If you need something pretty and quick, you want to make sure you pick this hair up. So this is another example of when I double tie the hair so that I can secure it. And as you can see, one strand is shorter than the other so that we can get the elongated look and not the super big foofy look. So here it is, pretty much finished. And the first day you do it is going to probably be the best day. This is like a hairstyle that you could put in your hair and then go straight out. Like, get the most you can get out of this hair by showing it off the minute you install it, okay? So when it's up, when it's down, I love when I do like the half up, half down look. It's super pretty, girls. I'm telling you, this hair is so pretty. Like, synthetic really comes through with the curls and the texture. Like, I'm sorry, synthetic is that girl when it comes to texture and curls. And yeah, I think it's about 28 inches, like I said. So you can really get a statement pony with this look. It's going to be very long and sexy. And yeah, this is how I installed it. Very easy, beginner friendly. And this is a look that I created with it. I put a little fufu top on and a pencil skirt. And yeah, I will definitely be slaying in this hair. So be sure to shop this hair right at the link below. Everything else in this video will be linked below. So be sure to subscribe, share this video with your friends, especially the crochet girls. I believe they'll really love this hair. And stay fabulous, ladies. Bye.